I bet you don't understand this trend.
Andrew, pledging your allegiance, that's really nice. Let's do prison evangelism. You have a very strong face, you're bold. Bola. Okay. Let me make her a pastor's wife. Nah. She'll mess that up, so I'm village evangelism. Good. Yes, she can do that. Let's give her village evangelism. That's lovely. All my kids are pledging their allegiance. This is nice. Tiana, you do well, teenagers. You know you have all those TikTok vibe. Let me make you teenagers minister. You should be able to handle them very well. Mickey, Mickey, you two, you are pledging your allegiance. That's really nice. You're rugged. You have street vibe. You can handle the street. How about street evangelism, Mickey? I really like the youth of this generation. They are really, really ready for the work, taking the gospel to the uttermost part of the earth. Who else?